takes a while. I thought we were gonna get food. You gotta choose park or food. I thought you were too hungry.
Park!
Why don't you get food and then bring it to the park?
Park! Park! Park!
Sis, you don't need food? Let's go get a snack, sis.
And then I go to the park.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go get some food and then I go to the park.
Yep. Okay, push this button here. Okay, let's go, let's go. He's already stopped. If you're stopped as a car, it's so annoying when people don't go. So, perfectly. That's hello.
Pizza! Pizza! Can I get some pizza, Daddy? Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
I know you're busier than I am. Everybody has to wait.
Sis, is it one of these located up here? A chicken or a pizza? There's a little pizza. Sis, pizza?
Pizza!
You want one of those? Or yeah.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Yeah. We had a couple things in his hand, but I couldn't see. I mean, he said a skateboard right there. You have an estimate? I'm going to say maybe $12, $15. I would go around 15 because I'm not quite sure. And that's what I told him when I hollered at him. I told him, I'm not going to let you back in the door. And he is a regular here. I know exactly who he is. You know his name? No. Thank you so much for coming back. Have a good day. Be safe.
You've been waiting for a long time. If you're quick, or if you want to go.
Just a minute, I'll be right with you. Everything's going to happen now.
Special bird. Yeah, can I get 2 slices of 7 meat and then 3 of these chicken strips here?
2 slices of 7 meat and 2 what else?
Chicken. Yeah. The wings are pretty good.
And what else? What's your
2 chicken strips.
2 of them?
Yeah, please.
I can help you next.